Hi everybody, Gerard here. Just want to give you update of the trade that we took yesterday. It is the euro versus the pound, doing really well. Expecting a move further higher on this trade. I'm going to post all that in the members section, but basically, I think all this Brexit talk has kind of overheated the pound short term, and I see the pound selling a little bit as we get closer to the weekend. My entry was 86.80. 1 second. 86.82. I also posted that for the public too. On the second or third ad, and that was on Instagram. So once again, long euro versus the pound, doing really good on that. Had a short on the dollar versus the CAD overnight, sold that, grabbed some pips. I think it was only like 20 pips or something like that. So the Canadian dollar did move based on that news that OPEC is going to do whatever it takes to make the proper cuts necessary to stabilize oil. That jolted oil over 1%, so that had an effect on the dollar Canadian. It was kind of obvious since yesterday's rout of over 7%. That was kind of like that washout. I did get long on oil, got stopped out. I believe that there was going to be a wash yesterday, but I didn't think it was going to be 7%. I was counting maybe 4 or 5%. So that's the area that I went long with that support. I did a video on that. That's okay, can't win them all. The strategy for today, I'm really I didn't want to mess with the pound versus the US dollar because of the CPI report, which ended up coming in better than expected. So I'm glad I didn't mess with that dollar. So again, euro, I believe is just going to be more stable during the US session. It's kind of flat right now. I just rather pair that than with some of these US news announcements that are coming out. So I've been trading outside the office. I'm trading in my sunroom area, and you know what? It's fun to switch. Sometimes my office gets a little, boring in there all the time. I like to bring the computers up in my sunroom and, change the setting. I'll save that for another video. It's more of a mental thing. It makes it more stimulating from an environmental standpoint. Because let's face it, trading, at least in my environment, it's done alone. So it's a solitaire career. It's the best career in the world. That's for sure. Financial freedom can be very ubiquitous if you really buckle down and sharpen your strategies. So anyway, just an update on this pound trade. Be very prudent because we are going to see volatility as they come out with numerous announcements. That's why I'm going to end this video. Numerous announcements on this coming from the UK often. So got to be aware if you're going to trade this, trade it intelligently. Know where your stop area is, or set a solid stop and get an idea of your target. Everybody have a good one, and I'm gonna put the in our new trading challenge that we started. I'm gonna put all the information below. We're gonna get those live results going. Take care, everybody.